Very good morning, students. So, our today's class is about the potential difference, electric potential difference. Before that, we have studied about what is charge, okay, what is current, what do you understand from electricity, and we have done some important questions also from exam point of view. Now today we will talk about electric potential and the potential difference. Okay, this topic is very important because one question is definitely will come from this topic. So be focused. Okay, so electricity. So our chapter is electricity. Electricity. And our today's topic is electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential. This electric potential is denoted by capital V. Capital V. Okay. And SI unit. SI unit क्या होता है electric potential का? SI unit of electric potential is volt. Okay, VOLT, volt. And also volt was the same. Okay, so it is volt. Now how you define the electric potential? Okay, so for this, okay, the focus here is very important that we should know what is electric potential. Suppose we take a charge Q, this is a point, we charge a capital Q. Suppose we take a capital Q charge here, okay. So every static charge is having, suppose this point is O and Q charge is kept, okay. This charge is kept at point O, Q charge kept at point O, right. Now it has a electric field around it. Electric field. Electric field. Now what is electric field? Electric field is what? You can say it is the area around this charge Q. Okay, the area around the charge Q, which experience some force. When you bring another charge near to it, then when this charge come close, when it enter into this area, this particular vicinity, then it will experience some force. So that is called electric field. Okay. So before defining electric potential, we must know what is electric field. So electric field is what? Electric field. Electric field. Okay. It is the force. It is the force experienced by a charge around the vicinity of source charge. Vicinity of source charge. So this is what? This is the vicinity around this charge. This is a source charge. Why it is called source charge? Because it is a field. This field, electric field, this vicinity is because of this charge. That's why this is a source of this vicinity. That's why this is we call it as a source charge. Okay. So it is the force experienced by a charge across the vicinity of the source charge. So which charge is that? If you bring any of the charge here, okay, that we charge is Q. You see this charge, इस charge को suppose हम ले लेते हैं small q ले लेते हैं, right? So the electric field will be what? Electric field is equal to what? That is force F upon Q. F upon Q. So it is what the force experienced by this charge, okay, by this charge around the vicinity, okay, इस vicinity के अंदर जब वो enter करेगा, and what force it will experience, so that is called electric field. This is called electric field, okay. And we know that force का जो आपका unit होता है वो क्या होता है? Newton. And charge का unit क्या होता है? That is coulomb. तो electric field क्या हो गया? Newton per coulomb. So this is the this is what? This is SI unit. This is the unit of electric field. That is Newton per coulomb. Right. Now we come to electric potential. Okay. So please note it down. Now that is electric potential. Now we come to the our main topic now. That is electric potential. So electric potential is what? Suppose there is a charge. Okay. That is plus one coulomb. मैं plus one coulomb लेता हूँ. Plus one coulomb ले लेता हूँ. Q की value. Q is plus one coulomb, right? This plus one coulomb, if I bring it from some infinity at this point, let this point I take it as a P. Okay, this point P from the infinity. Infinity is very far away. Very far. We don't know from where. It comes from very far away place. When you bring this, okay, this charge Q near to this source charge, okay, this Q is called, this is called the test charge. इसको हम बोलते हैं test charge. Test charge क्यों बोलेंगे हम इसको? Why we call it as a test charge? Because we have to do the test on this Q charge. Okay, what is the effect of this field on this charge Q? So when you bring this Q charge in the vicinity of this field, which is around this source charge, then what will happen? This Q charge, अब हम इस Q charge को यहाँ लेके आएंगे. When you bring this Q charge here, तो क्या होगा? ये जो Q charge है, ये जैसे इस field में enter करेगा, it will experience a force. Okay, if it is a plus, ये भी positive है, then it will experience the force of repulsion. If it is a negative, then it will experience the force of attraction. You know, like charges repel, unlike charges are attract. Now, this will be here. So, what is electric potential? Our question is, what is electric potential? So, electric potential definition क्या होगा? इसका definition लिखिए. Electric potential. Electric potential. Okay. So it is defined. It is defined as amount of work done. Amount of work done. Work done to bring a test charge, or you can say unit charge from infinity to a point from infinity to a point under the effect of source charge. Okay, source charge. This is called electric potential. So mathematically we can say what? V equals to W upon Q. So this Q is what is a test charge. This Q test charge is bring from infinity to a point. Okay. It is what is the amount of work done. How much work we have to done when you bring this test charge from infinity to this point P. Okay. Under the influence of to point under the effect or under the influence of the source charge. So it will experience some force. Influence effect means it will experience some force. If it is a negative, it is attractive. If it is a positive, it will be repulsive. So this is called electric potential. I think it is very clear that V equals to W upon Q. Right. Now W means what? Work done. Work done का जो ऐसा यूनिट होता है वो क्या होता है? जूल. क्या होता है? जूल. Okay, it is joule. और जो कूलम जो this is charge का क्या होता है? It is coulomb. So 1 volt. Suppose I take 1 coulomb, 1 joule and this is 1 coulomb. तो 1 volt जो होगा आपका वो किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? 1 joule. Okay, 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So this is called electric potential. Okay, just note it down or you take the screenshot of it. Okay. Now, so what is 1 coulomb? Sorry, 1 volt. So 1 volt, 1 V. 1 volt equals to 1 joule per coulomb. So from this formula you can define 1 volt. If it has been asked you, define 1 volt. So how you define it? See, how you define? 1 volt is what? Define 1 volt. Question क्या आता है? Define 1 volt. ये question आता है define 1 volt. Okay. How you define this? So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Electric potential. Electric potential is said to be 1 volt when 1 joule of work done to bring charge of 1 coulomb. Very simple. Okay, 1 coulomb. So this is called electric potential. Right? This is called 1 volt. So from this formula you can define 1 volt in your own language. You can also say that when 1 coulomb of the charge is to be bring right with the help of and with the help of 1 joule of work done. So in that way you can also define it. But this formula is to be satisfied. Okay, you can change your language according to you. Okay, that is not that much important. So this is very important. That is 1 volt. Now the next comes, that is potential difference. Potential difference is nothing. It's very simple. What difference means what? Suppose I take this is your conductor. Suppose I take this is conductor. The 2 arms of this conductor is connected with the battery eliminator, suppose, or any of the electric source. So this is positive and this is your minus. Suppose I take this is 10 volt of the battery, right? 10 volt. So this positive end is what? This is your 10 volt, right? And this is your 0. That means. Now suppose this current will flow from here, okay, and the electron that is flow from here. So this means what? It is a positive, right? The proton. Proton is always move along the direction of the current, and the electron is moving in the opposite direction of the current. Suppose this this charge is bring from this point A and this point, say it is B. Okay, this is B. So from this end to this end there is a 10 volt. Here it is 0. So it means what? There is a potential difference. Suppose here I take 8 volt. Okay. Suppose यहाँ पे 8 volt है आपका और यहाँ पे आपका 4 volt है. Suppose it is a 4 volt. So potential difference is what? When this charge is moving from this A point to B point. So you know that the charge always flow from high potential towards the lower potential, right? So व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मीन्स व्हाट? इसको हम डिनोट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डिनोट करते हैं डेल्टा से, जिसको डेल्टा डेल्टा वी, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया हाई पोटेंशियल से लो पोटेंशियल, तो फिर आपका जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वो तो क्या होगा? वी ए माइनस वी बी। ओके, वी ए कितना आपका? इट इज 8 वोल्ट, 8 वोल्ट, और वी बी कितना आपका? दैट इज 4 वोल्ट। ओके, 4 वोल्ट। सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस आपका कितना हो गया? 4 वोल्ट हो गया। 4 वोल्ट इज योर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। This is called potential difference. Means you have to fix any of the 2 points in the conductor, and then what is the electric potential? यहाँ पे electric potential कितना है? 8 वोल्ट, यहाँ पे electric potential कितना है? 4 वोल्ट। So potential difference आपका क्या होगा? The electric potential difference between A and B. This is called electric potential. Okay, this is called the potential difference. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Potential difference. Potential difference. Okay. और इसका भी जो आपका यूनिट होता है, यूनिट क्या होता है? इसका भी यूनिट क्या होता है? ऐसा यूनिट इज यूनिट, ऐसा यूनिट, राइट? ऐसा यूनिट जो उसका होगा वो क्या होगा? अगेन इट इज वोल्ट, वो वोल्ट ही होगा। तो यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट लेते हैं, वहां पे एक ही पॉइंट होता है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज ओनली द मेन डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन देम। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।